Setting your record level. Now that you know that your mic is working, you want to make sure that you send a strong audio signal to your recording software. If you have an audio interface, normally you will begin with your mic input gain level set at about 3 o'clock. In your Audacity toolbar, you'll see that you have additional control over your recording volume. But remember to start with a strong signal before you get to this point. You have additional control of your audio from here. If you slide your control back along this line, you'll see that the volume is going up and down. You can monitor the input here in this section as it goes in and out of Audacity. It could be that you don't have a lot of room in order to adjust it down. The same will be true for your playback volume. You want your playback volume to be at a level your client will enjoy listening to. After your adjustments have been made, click here. Now you will monitor properly. Now click the record button to record your voice with the proper settings. Keep in mind that your room, portabooth, or closet that you record from should be a quiet space. Your room is your first consideration. Your mic is your second consideration. A good mic will not make a poor room sound good. Your voiceover coach can help you with answers for your quiet space. I'll see you in our next video.